Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you're just tuning in for the first time, this is the first time you're seeing my face. Let me do my face. My name is Medilock. Yes, and I'm saying a big welcome to you. Yes. Today we want to talk about how to set ourselves free, from family causes, family lineage problem. Let me use modern language. When they say family causes, what they are saying is in your DNA. Family causes, generational cause, family idol is inside your DNA. Okay, it is not outside. So a child that is born into a particular family will carry the same problem because the blood of the family is running in his or her vein. Yes. So now, these family causes we are talking about here, it is not as a result of your own sin or your own offense or what you have done, but it's because of the covenant, the activities, the actions of your forefathers. When we are talking about forefathers, we are not talking about just your grandfather. I once spoke to a guy. I said, what is happening to you is called family curse, generational curse. He said, but he said, him is a very young guy. He's just 35 years. And how can he have family curse? How can he have a problem with family? Because he doesn't have a problem with anybody. I said, this was caused by your forefathers. He said, my father was a Christian. In fact, my grandfather, let me even start with my grandfather. My grandfather used to go to church. He is a devoted Catholic. He goes for morning mass, he goes for afternoon mass, he goes for evening mass, even midnight mass. Medilock, how can, and my father, was born into that Christian home, and I too. How can I be having all these problems? All my siblings, everybody is having this same issue, setback, limitation. Nobody is progressing. I said, see, in spirituality, if you want to solve your problem spiritually, you don't look at the symptoms. The symptoms are your setbacks, your disappointment, your failure, your limitation, your staying in one place. You see, people whom you have graduated with, they have gone places, but you are still where you are. If you want to treat it, even if somebody give you 100 million, the person will come back in 3 months' time and you will not be able to give account of it. Why? Because giving you that money to treat your poverty is not the solution to your problem. But you need to be set free. Once you are set free from this thing that is causing all those things, then every limitation, stagnation, setback, failure, disappointment will fade out with time. He said, hey, so you see, guys, when you are having problem, there are different ways. Like I said before, breakthrough, prosperity, deliverance, they have different, it's like a house. It has different doors. It has different entrance, so to say. It has the door, it has the window, it has the roof. You can decide to enter through whichever means, as long as you gain entrance to get yourself delivered. As long as it is not diabolical. It is not out of the will of God. Yes. So this morning, I have come to share with us again the story and the power of palm oil. Yes. In one of my videos, I talked about how to use palm oil to deliver yourself from family causes. Yes, you use palm oil and then you do other things I explained. But in this video now, because I know a lot of people have not seen that video, so I am going to explain it again step by step so that you are seeing my video for the first time, or you are just seeing this version of this particular problem, you'll be able to know how to follow it and set yourself free. Yes. So guys, I'll be right back after this time out.
Simple solutions to life.
Yes, so levels. You're welcome back from that time out. Yes, that is called levels. Let me do my eye for you. See, when you are having setback, you are 7 in that family, nobody's married, or people get married in your family but their husband dies, or when you get married, your husband, even if he's a millionaire, the moment you marry him, he runs into poverty. Everything will grind down. Or maybe when your sister or yourself, anybody in your family is dating a man, the man will just die. Yes. When they are calculating date for wedding, the fiancé will just die. Yes. That thing that is killing people, killing men, is in your family. So, how do you set yourself free? You are a man, because I know it's not only women that are watching my video. You are a man, you're looking at me right now. You have been submitting quotations for contract. You have been looking for a job. You have been looking for how to better your life. You have been looking for how to travel out, how to better your life, how to migrate from that part of Europe you are to another part, and yet you remain stagnant. It is only a place that will not prosper you. That is a place that will be easy for you to go. When they say, okay, which country? Before you know it, any country that you will get good jobs, that you will get good life, the visa to that place will be very hard for you. Or they keep on deporting you. They will deport you, you gather money again, you travel, things are happening to you. You think it's ordinary. It's not ordinary. The spiritual controls the physical. Yes. Spirituality has become physicality. And that time has come, and the time is now. Whether you believe it now or you will believe it later. Okay? So, guys, how do you set yourself free from this family problem, from this generational curse, from these things that limit people in your family? First of all, you will be needing red oil. Get red oil. Because in one of my videos, I said, if you want to destroy a family idol, like people who have shrine, who have physical shrine that is there and is attacking people, people can just agree together, buy like 20 liters of red oil, bring out those idol, dig hole, put them inside the hole, pour the red oil and bury it. It will die natural death. The spirit will evaporate, will run far from your family. The spirit will not just come out of that place and enter into people's body. No, the spirit will run far from your family, from anybody that is born into that family. But some people say, but there are some idol that takes red oil. Because that type of red oil they are giving to that idol, it is not a destruction red oil. You understand? But urine can also be used to destroy family idol also. Yes. So now, that's apart. How do you carry out your deliverance? Get your red oil, okay? You will pray. Yes. By strength shall no man prevail. It is a fact. See, what is inside the Bible, that thing is true. You cannot argue it. If you follow it, you will get results. If you use it well, you will get results. Yes. See, if you like, select the psalm of your choice, okay? Or you read Psalm 35, okay? Read Psalm 35. You're going to do this set deliverance for either 7 nights or 3 nights. And you're going to do night fast. You fast at night. That is from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning. You will fast. Then you will rub in the night. Once it is night, let's say 8 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., you rub the red oil on your hands, your legs, your face, and then you read this psalm. Pray fervently. Then go and bathe. And when you are bathing, you can decide to use breakthrough soap if you have. But if you don't have breakthrough soap, just use any soap that you have and bath. Why do we talk about breakthrough soap? Because breakthrough soap contains some ingredients that neutralizes family idol, family setback, generational curse. Yes. So you will just take your bath before you go to bed. Not that you rub the red oil and then go and lie down on your bed. No. Okay. So guys, see, I don't want this video to be more than 10 minutes. So please subscribe to my channel. Okay. This is where I will draw the curtain for today. If you have any question, you have any comment, please don't hesitate to drop your comment at the comment section of this video, and remember to give me thumbs up. Okay. All right, share my video with your friends and family. I'll see you again in our next video, because I upload video on daily basis. Thank you and God bless. Bye.